In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money with pocket option by using a trading strategy that can help you to make maximum amount of right trade while trading binary options inside pocket option. This is a strategy that I have built by myself with my years of experience, and I am not telling you to blindly trust me. Instead, learn this strategy. It is extremely simple and it will remove all the stress from your mind while trading binary options. And right after learning this strategy, just test it on demo account firstly, and if you think this strategy is a good fit for you, then only go and trade with real account. This is a simple trading strategy that you will find nowhere in YouTube, because this is a strategy that I have created by myself and I am giving it away for absolutely free to you. So in return, I'll only ask one thing for you. Please smash that like button. And if you are new to my channel and want to watch more this kind of extremely simple and good strategy that can help you to make maximum amount of right trade while trading binary options, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see the chart here, firstly I'll make a trade and we'll see if this trade goes right or wrong, and then I will explain to you this strategy. So here are three candles forming. So let's three red candles are forming at here. So let's wait for this candle to close firstly, and then I will make a trade on where the fourth candle will be closed. Okay, so the fourth candle is already started. So now I can assume that this candle is going to go down. Now I'm not telling it randomly, okay? I'm using a proper strategy to do so. So let me wait a little bit to, okay, so it has been falling, so let's wait for some time. So it is too low, but also I will click on lower and let's wait and see the result, what happens. So I could have taken this trade at here and I could have easily gone right, but still let's see what happens in this trade. Now I can assume that this candle is going to go up, okay? So I am making a call trade, higher trade, and I'm using this I'm making this trade by using a proper strategy, okay? However, it failed at here because the candle has already calmed down, okay? But now let's see what happens at here. So I made a trade by clicking on higher and the candle is at above, and now right after this trade is closed, then I will explain to you what exactly this strategy is. So I will cut the part up to which this candle will be closed. So as you can see here, we have made profit right now. So now let me explain how exactly I was making this trade and how I got that trade right. Okay, both of my trade were right exactly because this candle was too low when I made this lower trade. Otherwise this trade was also right, okay? And I made a trade at here by clicking on higher, and this trade also went right. Now I'll explain you how I did so. So as you can see, there was a 3 candle while this 4th candle was forming, and market always repeat itself, okay? So if you see the backward candle of this red, so there was a green candle and then 3 candles. So here is a green candle and then there was 3 candle, 1 2 3, and 4th candle was red. So here you can see there was a green candle and 3 candle was red, and I assumed that this candle will also be red in the same way, okay? There are 4 red candles. Similarly, now after 4 red candle there was a green candle, so what I assumed that after this 4 candle there will be a green candle. In that way I made this trade by clicking on higher. So it is this strategy is this much simple. Okay, there's nothing complicated. Now you may think that this strategy is a little bit bogus or whatever it is, but if you practice it on demo account, then you will realize how much amount of trade you will make right by using this strategy. See, the indicator also works sometime and doesn't work sometime. Okay, each and every indicator. So but also when you use this kind of indicator, then also you will have that stress in mind while trading. But if you use this strategy in order to make trade, then you will have less stress. Okay, because you will only trade by looking the history. Okay, just the past of the market, and market always repeats its history.